Hey guys, in this video we are going to see a grammar topic. I come yesterday. Tomorrow I came. Do you think something is wrong? Or do you think the two sentences are right? If you feel it is wrong, you are right. Tenses in English are one of the most important grammar topics that you should know thoroughly in order to be an expert in the English language. Let's see the tenses in detail. What does the word tense mean? In the English language, the word tense is used to denote a characteristic of the verb in a sentence. The tense of a verb is used to depict the particular time in which a specific event is taking place. Let's see the definition of tense. According to the Oxford Learner's Dictionary, the term tense is defined as any of the forms of a verb that may be used to show the time of the action or state expressed by the verb. The Merriam-Webster Dictionary provides a slightly different definition. According to it, the word tense is defined as a distinction of form in a verb to express distinctions of time or duration of the action or state it denotes. How important is it to know about tenses? Learning tense is one of the most essential skills that is required while studying the English language. It is important while communicating both verbally and in written form because it helps us clearly indicate the time at which something has happened. So, if you wish to convey your message accurately in the English language, then learning about tenses becomes important. What are the three main types of tenses and why do we need them? Past, present and future are the three main types of tenses. What is past tense? The past tense is used to describe an activity or an event that has happened in the past or a past state of being and needs to include a time marker for when the event or action took place. What is the structural formula for past tense? Subject plus verb, second form, plus object. For example, he went to the supermarket yesterday. Here, he is the subject, went is the verb second form, and supermarket is the object. Next example, Ram cooked a tasty dinner yesterday. Here, Ram is the subject, cooked is the verb second form, and the tasty dinner is the object. And yesterday shows the past activity. Let's see present tense. The simple present tense or present tense is one of the most basic tenses in English. We use present tense to talk about something that is currently going on, something that is habitually performed, or a state that generally or currently exists. What is the structural formula for present tense? Subject plus verb, S or ES plus object. Let's see the example. She lives in Canada. Bob drives a taxi. Future tense. The future tense is a verb tense used to describe an event or action that has not yet happened and is expected to happen in future. See the structural formula for future tense. Subject plus shall or will plus verb, that is yes or es, plus object. See the example. He will be here soon. Now we have understood the three main types of tenses. Communicating in English with a native English speaker will become easier. But to make communication in English easier and simpler, we need to learn more about tenses. Apart from the three main types of tenses, past, present and future, there are different subtypes of tenses. We will see in the upcoming videos. Thank you.